Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update tax document organization using Dropbox Paper. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to Dropbox Paper. Log into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Once logged in, click on the Create New Doc button to start a new document. Title your document clearly, such as Tax Document Organization. Open a new tab and gather all your relevant tax documents. This includes W-2 forms, 1099s, receipts, and any other important papers. Upload these documents to your Dropbox account. You can do this by dragging files into the Dropbox folder or using the Upload button. Once uploaded, return to your Dropbox Paper document. Begin by creating an outline of your tax documents. Consider using headings for different categories like income, deductions, and credits. Under each category, add a list of the documents you collected. Use bullet points or checkboxes for easy tracking. For each document, provide a short description. Include the type of document, year, and any necessary details. If you have multiple years of documents, create separate sections for each year. Highlight important deadlines related to taxes. You can use a different color or bold text to make deadlines stand out. Once your outline is complete, format the document for clarity. Use headings, subheadings, and spacing to make it easy to read. Consider adding links to important resources or IRS forms. This will save time when you access them later. Review your document for accuracy and completeness. Make sure all necessary documents are listed. Once satisfied, share the document with trusted individuals if needed. Use the Share function in Dropbox Paper to grant access. Remember to save your changes regularly. You can also set reminders for tax-related tasks in your document. Finally, ensure your Dropbox account is secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.